Hello everyone and welcome here to Russian Lessons for Beginners. The recent lectures we talked about the alphabets, some of the alphabets, and we explained them separately. We even combined these letters and created a whole word. So, in this lesson, we will be continuing explaining these alphabets. We have much more alphabets we didn't talk about, such as G, G, Z, Z, K, K, R, S, извините, S, H, H. Now, since we got these alphabets, we've just got these alphabets, we will be moving on to the next part of the lesson, which is слушайте, повторяйте, читайте, which means listen, repeat, and read. Now, we're going to read some of these letters combined, even some of them are not combined. Let's take these examples. Sorry. A, O, U, E, I. By the way, just take into account the pronunciation of this letter here, which is not a letter, but it's a more like a tone. It's I, I, I. Now, let's try to combine two letters and pronounce them, such as va, fa, ba, ba, da, ta, la, na. Now, let's combine three letters into one word. Vba, vbo, vbo, vbu, vbi. Now, just pay attention on how I pronounced this word. Vbi. Just like imagine you're pronouncing the V sound as a F. So it becomes vbi, not like a certain V, because this makes problems when you pronounce. So just keep it simple. Vbi. Just imagine you're pronouncing the F sound, not the V sound. Okay. Let's take another example, another row of examples. Va. Now here we have double V, which means we pronounce the V for a long time. Va, just as I pronounced. Vda, vla, vna, vma, vma. Now, I will not take the second row because just depends on what we just we've just taken here. Let's move on to the other row. Dva, dvu, dvo. Dva, dvu, dvo. Now, dva means number two in English. In Russian it is dva. Now, let's imagine we have a lesson here, which is in Russian called urok. Urok dva. Urok dva means lesson 2. Or if you say in English the second lesson, in Russian it becomes второй урок. Второй means second. These are some notes that you can just write them down on your notebook and everything will be fine. Now, let's move on to the next row here. Fpa, fa. Now we have double F here, so we pronounce them as double F. Fa. We take a certain period to pronounce it. Fa, fta, fla, fna. Now, let's take the last row here. Вы, вы, бы, 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 фы. Remember, this is an F, not an V. Мы, ты, ты. Just make differences between D and T sound, because it is very sensitive in this case. Ly, ny. Now, и, ты, и, вы, и, фы, и, ды, и, мы. Now, we've just listened, repeated, and read all of these words. Not all of them, but most of them, because some of them are not very important here. Now let's move on to the words that we just made. These are the words that we have taken in the previous lecture. We have da. Let's mark them by a pen. Da, dva. Da means yes. Dva means two. Number two. Ty means you, but informally. Вы means you in plural, and also you as a formal way. Okay? We have мы, we have тут, там, он. What do these words mean? Look, мы means we. The pronoun we. Тут means here. Okay, it's a if you can say here, it's here. Это тут, which means it is here. Там means there. It is there. Это там. Он means he, the pronoun he. Mama means mom. Papa means dad. And don't forget, if we have these ticks over a letter, we pronounce this letter for a long period, like mama, not mama, or mama. You should pronounce it mama, because we have a tick here. I'm gonna zoom in. Just as you see this tick here. Okay. Дома. Дома means in the house. And by the way, I have a clarification here. A house as a word in Russian, it is dom. We pronounce it as dom, as an individual word, without adding such things like in. Okay? So, as a word, it is dom. Okay? But because we said in the house, it becomes doma. Now, just memorize this word, as it is an adverb, or not an adverb, but it is doma, which means in the house. The form of in the house in Russian is doma. Now, lampa. Lampa means a lamp. Just imagine a lamp. Or even a table lamp is called lampa as well. Anna is a name of a girl. Inna is also a name of girl. Ivan, Anton. Ivan and Anton, these are names of males. Now, Anna means she. Allo means hello when you use a telephone. When you talk to somebody by phone, you just say allo, which means hello. May I hear you? I can't hear you. It depends on the communication state. Okay, voda. Voda means water. Okay, water. Luna. Luna means a moon. Okay, the planet, the moon. Okay, that's enough. We'll be completing the next exercise in the upcoming videos, inshallah. And thank you for listening.